Hi. Okay, this is really awkward because I've done this before, so I'm just like, "Mrah." And I can't talk because of these bands, so if I sound weird, it's because I'm, ow. Anyways, I am deciding to make this friggin' YouTube channel shit. Start off my vlog. I don't know, I'm really bored right now, so I thought I'd do this. I'll start off with subjects. You can comment below for any subjects you'd like me to talk about. Fucking, I don't know, chapstick, hair, glasses. I don't know, just, I have like no, I don't know. I'm Delaney. I'm 14. Live in Bakersfield, California. I'm a very, very boring person. Yeah, so